Hi, Renaissance Man here again. I would like to give you some Christmas feeling and Christmas love. My mom cut down some pine tree branches and left me with a bag of these. And my wife loved Christmas decoration, so not solely me. I helped out a little bit, but mostly my wife did this one. Nice Christmas decoration. Just looked up a word for it, but I forgot. Anyhow, Christmas decoration on putting on the doors. I also got the task put on me to buy some dried orange pieces. My day are full of other things to do, and my brain didn't cope with more information, so I forgot. But you cannot leave your wife there hanging dry without the things she wants. So, since I have a kitchen and a room next to the kitchen full of things for the kitchen, I thought I can drive it myself. So, let's have a look. So, since I have a mushroom dryer, I never think I have dried any mushroom in it, but I can dry chilies, I have dried paprika, I have first smoked, made paprika powder out of. Good to make a new video on that. So I just cut off some orange and let it dry out. Quite a lot of water in them, so our chilies take half a day, then they are crisp and dry and last forever in a jar. So let's see how long this takes. I guess 2 days or something. It smells extremely much orange, so it's really nice. It's normally placed in my home office here. So I'm gonna place it back so I can edit in some video smelling orange. But this is gonna be a nice Christmas decoration. Let's continue this video when we put the Christmas decoration together, so you see how it will look like with the dried out oranges. But that will take 2 days, so see you in 2 days. So I'm back. Now I'm just gonna continue with the Christmas wreath. I have stolen from my mom and father's garden some dried hydrangea, hortensia in Swedish, and here we have the orange that was put in the dryer for 2 days, I think we had it. So I'm gonna try to stitch this together, and we have some cinnamon sticks as well. I had to double check because I got interested in why we put cinnamon on Christmas decoration, and oranges for that sake. And it comes down to that it reminds us of flavors in Christmas cookies and other kind of stuff. So fair enough. That's why. And by the way, the design is not mine, it's my wife's, but I can take credit for it anyway, maybe. I've bought some fishing line that I'm gonna use to stitch things together. I'm just gonna find the start of it here. So, I'm not a fisherman, so everybody out there that actually do fishing laugh when I try to make a knot. And also I realize that I'm not getting any younger, so I need some reading glasses to be able to accomplish this. Probably not going to be able to catch any fish with that knot, but hopefully it will help me do what I want to do. So, the dried out flowers has a little bit of a stem left, so I hope I can just push them down. If I try to put the line over, I will probably destroy them or make them not look that nice. So I push them down. I also check
with my parents in regards of using orange and cinnamon sticks, and if they did it when they was younger, and they simply laughed at me and they said that cinnamon, not really grown in Sweden, neither orange, and they were so expensive, so if you managed to get hold of one in one household, an orange, you would not dream of drying it and put it on a Christmas wreath. So things change, and from good to bad maybe, or bad to good, not sure. So my fishing line, this could be interesting. So maybe I'll put it through both. So I'll go through both. I should have a really long needle. Let's see. The man with the video that's always fails. The Renaissance man. Let's see. Maybe I should just go around. What's the fun in that? So tie this down. These are 7 down. The line is transparent to fool the fish, and I could say it's doing a good time fooling me too. This is... come on! Thing is, you don't see it. And you're gonna see this in fast forward after me editing this video. So, okay. And honestly, I really believe in doing it like this. If I cannot see the line 10 centimeters from me, nobody gonna see it on the door either. So, but I have a needle, so better use it then. Okay, not sure if that was the absolute best way of doing it. I'm gonna use a needle, otherwise I will never even see the line. But I'm gonna go around. So let's see how I do with this white moss without compressing it. But I need to put out thread more on my needle. I think, even if the world of editing, oh shit, feel like drunk looking at the distance. Even if a line of editing I can do magic. This is gonna take, absolutely forever for me to do. So either you will die of laughing, lying on the floor, laughing, watching this video and making me fool of myself. That could be fun, or you will die of boredom. So I finish this up and come back to you when I'm done. And because it will take forever, and I'm not really used to working with this kind of thing, so it's simply difficult. But see you when this is done, and then you can enjoy the beauty of it. After a lot of work and a couple of words not mentioned for small children, I'm finally done. So this is the Christmas wreath that we're gonna have on the door, and let's see, it looks like this, and there is a rope to hang it up. So let's go out and have a look how it would look on the door. So the intention is to turn it up. That on the door. So now I should just try to so almost got to dark before I got ready with this one. People can light it up a bit. So this is how it can look like. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.